Now let's create the layouts or understand how we can create layouts in a Next.js application. So we have pages here, you see, which contains the home page and I think the profile page, this page. So layout means the layout of a page, whether it be home page or profile page, or maybe authenticated pages like login and sign up. So you know that if we have a home page, we should have a footer and header. So in the pages, we can create it or call it from the components folder. So suppose that we have a folder called components. In this, we have a file called, let's say, header or maybe menu.js. Let me export default function. The name is menu. Okay, this. Let me return some h1 like this, which is this is the menu. Yes. Let me call this component in the home.jsx. Sorry, index.js, which is the home page. So import menu from components menu. You will see that at the rate of it is here to denote that this is the root. Yes. So first let me add h1 and here we will say home page. So if you see, we will see home page here. Now let me call this menu here. We will see this is the menu. Okay, let me remove the styling, which is this red. Refresh it. Okay, it's not going. Maybe it's here. Maybe we need to remove it from here. From global. Yes. Removed. Home page is here. This is a menu. Suppose that we have a menu like this and in the home page, then we can also have the footer. So we can say footer.js like this. Let me copy the menu, paste it here, make this as footer and this as footer. Save this and we can just call it here footer and you will see that it has been automatically imported. Menu, title and contents and the footer. If you go to the profile page, let's see what happens. Okay, here we don't get the header and footer because we are only adding this on the home page, not on this profile page here. So to fix this, we can simply add it at the app, at the root level, which is this. We have to just wrap them in a fragment, a React fragment, and simply copy these things like the menu, cut it, paste it, footer, cut it elsewhere, paste it, save this and this. Let me import the footer and header, I mean menu from there. Now we can see menu, profile page and the footer. Go back to the home page, you will see the same because now we have them on the root level. Fine. So if we create one more page, let's say login.js. Now in here, let me add this thing. Make this as login. Now if you go to slash login, we will see this page could not be found. Okay, I guess the problem is nothing. Maybe we have to copy all the things and add like this. So make this as login. Now let's see. Still nothing. Maybe we have to do like this. Login, make an index file inside. Okay, the problem is These should be small letters. L should be small. So it will work if I make it small, let's say, or maybe it will work if I make this L as capital. Yes, it is working. Then we don't need the folder anything. Just make the, where is it, login. This is this, make this as login page. Yeah, yes, it's here. If you want to change the L small, I mean if you make L small, and here we also have to do this. Now what if we want to remove one thing from here? Let's say this is the menu text. We only want to render, this is the menu on the home page and profile page. So in that case, what we can do? Let me show you. So in this page called login, we have to create a function. So it starts like this. So we have this login function here. So we can do login dot get layout equals to a function which will be called as page layout. Fine. And in here we will return the things we want to render. First a fragment of React, and then the page itself, that is the base page, and the footer. So let's say we want to only return the footer here, nothing else. So you will see that footer has been imported from here. Save this. Okay, this will be page. Fine. Now let me go to the login, and we have to do some extra things in the home page. So what I mean is, if you go to this app here, we can do this. So yes, in this app we have to do it like this. For example, if the component dot get layout, not page props, get layout, if this exists, it means we have to return the layout. So component dot get layout, in here we can simply add the component with the page props, which is this. So let me just copy or cut this and paste it here. Save this, and page is not defined in this login, so we have to get the page from here. So in this login page, you will see the login page, and this is the footer. If you come back, you will see the menu and the footer. Maybe we have to leave it here as well, not remove it. I mean, not cut it, just copy this. So paste it here, and we will see menu, home page, and the footer in the home page. But if you go to the login page, you will see only the login page, I mean the content and the footer. That's what we are having here. If you remove the footer, you will see only the login page. See. So that's how we conditionally render the layout components, which can be a menu or a footer.